Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you all are doing well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you receive my new videos as soon as possible. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to perform Rabia parry. It is a one-day practice. You can start this practice on any Sunday. First of all, you have to perform zakat. What you have to do is zakat. You have to take any sweet thing and distribute it among the children. No matter how much you have to do. After that, you have to prepare for the practice. You have to prepare for the practice during the day. This practice is to be done at night and also in graveyard. Friends, you can go to any graveyard after 11 o'clock at night and do this practice. After that, in one day, that is, within 15 to 20 minutes, this practice will be done. Within 15 to 20 minutes, the presence of Rabia parry will be there. You will not be afraid at all. It will be in human form. It will not harm you. First of all, what do you have to do? As you can see this devisa in front of you. You have to go to the graveyard and make this devisa. Before that, you have to take 5 kilograms of goat meat and 1 kilogram of goat heart. This heart has to be cut like this. Then you have to go to the graveyard at 11 o'clock at night. Then you have to make a devisa like this on the ground with a piece of wood. As you can see in front of you. Similarly, you have to write. After writing, you have to make a devisa in a very large place. Then you have to put 1 kilogram of meat here, 1 kilogram of meat here, 1 here and 1 here. You have to put half a kilo here and half a kilo here. After putting it, you have to sit here. That is, you have to make a devisa in front of you. After sitting, you have to read Ayatul Kursi 3 times. You have to recite Tashif 3 times. And you have to put a sar all around it. After putting a sar, you have to close your eyes. And you have to keep the heart of the goat with you. You don't have to cut it. You have to hold it in both your hands and imagine Rabia parry. That is, you have to imagine Rabia parry. That Rabia parry is present. And you have to think for 15 minutes what you want to do with parry. That is, for what purpose you want to present. You have to imagine for 15 minutes. Parry will be present in 16 minutes. She will be in front of you. She will ask for your heart. You don't have to give her a heart at all. No matter how much she talks, you don't have to give her a heart. You don't have to give her a heart until she accepts all your conditions. Whatever your conditions are, you have to tell her that these are the conditions. Then you have to tell her that you will give her your heart only when she will be obedient to you. The rest of your life. So when she will be completely obedient to you, she will start listening to you. She will give you a stone or a ring as a sign, with which you can call her and send her back. Until you don't give her a heart. When she gives you all these things, you have to give her the heart in your hand. And you have to keep the stone there. Similarly, she will pick up the stone herself. She will pick up the stone herself. So it is a very easy action. If you can do this action, then I allow you to do it. It is a one-day action. In 15 minutes, Rabia parry will be present. Just do this action. If you can't do this action, you want me to do this action for you, then I will transfer you. If you live anywhere in the world, then I can transfer you by doing this action. I have given my WhatsApp number on the screen, so that you can contact me and give me your details. And I can give you parry's transfer. Thank you.